Have you ever wondered what happens when two or more atoms combine? They lose, gain, or share electrons from their outermost shell. The combining power of an atom is called its valency. This combining power is due to the number of electrons an atom can lose, gain, or share. In other words, valency is the capacity of an atom to combine with other atoms and form molecules or compounds. The electrons present in the outermost shell or the valence shell of an atom are involved in the bonding of atoms and are known as valence electrons. When an atom loses electrons, its valency becomes positive. Recall that all atoms are originally neutral. However, when an atom loses its valence electrons, it has more protons than electrons, resulting in a net positive charge in the atom. But when the atom gains electrons, its valency becomes negative because it has gained negatively charged particles. For example, hydrogen, lithium, and sodium atoms contain one electron each in their outermost shells. They must each lose one electron to achieve a stable structure. Hence, their valency is +1. An atom achieves a stable structure when it has only one shell with 2 electrons or 8 electrons in its valence shell. Fluorine and chlorine atoms contain 7 electrons in their outermost shells. They must each gain 1 electron to complete their outermost shell. Hence, their valency is -1. Remember, the aim of each atom is to complete its outermost shell with electrons to achieve a stable structure. Let's complete these shells with electrons to get a stable structure. The first shell is complete with 2 electrons. The second shell is complete with 8 electrons. The third shell is also complete when it has 8 electrons. Good question, because chlorine takes very little energy to gain an electron. But it takes a lot more energy to lose just one out of the 7 electrons in its valence shell. Therefore, chlorine always gains an electron to achieve a stable state. Let's do a quick exercise. Pause the video and discuss. Fluorine gains 1 electron to complete its valence shell, so its valency is -1. Calcium loses 2 electrons in its outermost shell to achieve a stable structure, so its valency is +2. Helium already has a complete outermost shell with 2 electrons. It neither gains nor loses any electron. Therefore, its valency is 0. Today, we have learned that valency is the capacity of an element to combine with other atoms and form molecules or compounds. The outermost shell is called the valence shell and the electrons in a valence shell are called valence electrons. The loss of electrons results in a positive valency and the gain of electrons results in a negative valency.